Welcome to the guided meditation for relentless discipline. This meditation is for everyone who wants to anchor their lives towards greatness. Sit comfortably and relax your body. Feel release in every muscle fiber in your body. You don't have to think about your responsibilities for the rest of that session. You will have enough time to complete them afterwards. Let's focus on the breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale lightly through your slightly opened mouth. Try to feel the air filling your whole body, from your head down to your pelvis. Now I want you to think about your creator, whoever he might be. Maybe you don't know him personally. It doesn't matter. Try to visualize his presence. Try to visualize the light and love. He loves you. He genuinely wants everything that's best for you. He wants you to be the best version of yourself. That's why he chose you as his knight, as his warrior. That's why you struggle. Your struggle is what makes you disciplined, tough, and hard. With every breath you take, visualize God's love towards you. Visualize his comfort in the struggle. Now I want you to think about the little battles and struggles that you've overcome in the past. It doesn't matter how hard they were. What matters is that you've beat them. You did it. You can be grateful for them. I know you feel that you could give more from yourself, but let's focus on the positive thoughts for now. When visualizing those small or big wins, try to express your gratitude to God by simply saying in your mind, Father, I thank you that I could win this battle. Father, I thank you that I could win this battle. Now let's think about the goals that you work towards. Visualize yourself achieving these goals. Try to capture the exact emotions and the feelings that accompany your win. Try to imagine that you can touch, that you can smell, and that you can taste that win. Why you can't already have that thing? What's the thing that holds you back? Maybe it's your laziness. Maybe it's your lack of knowledge. Maybe it's your lack of self-confidence. But we are here not to make excuses. Visualize your future self. Visualize his life, his character, his family, his friends. Imagine how he looks. Try to capture every detail. Now I want you to know that his fate is in your hands. His life, his character, his family, his friends, his body. It's all a direct consequence of your actions. I want you to make a vow, a promise to your future self. I will handle it today, so that you don't have to worry about it later. I will handle it today, so that you don't have to worry about it later. Now feel the joy and gratitude of your future self towards you. Feel his love and his appreciation. Feel the love of your God, your Creator. Feel his overwhelming light and love coming on you. Finally, you can open your eyes. Brother, I know that you struggle, and I know that it's hard for you, but we are there for you. Even you don't, even if you don't feel like anyone cares about you, we do. God does. Your future self does. And I do. Do your best and leave the rest to God.